Here we go, people. Hello, it's Paul T Beer Reviews. It's food o'clock. This time we're going to do a little Iceland beauty for you. Another one from the Ed's Easy Diner range, the double cheeseburger. 3 minute cooking time. Basically, you put the two burgers in for 45 seconds. Build the bun up with the cheese and a roll and in for another. Did it say? Remove all packaging, place burgers stacked on top of each other on a microwavable plate, cook 45 seconds, turn over, cook for a further, assemble the product. Yeah, 45, then 1 minute 30. Basically 3 minutes and you got that. What it will taste like, God only knows. It can't be as bad as the breakfast bun I had recently. I'll pause this, whack this in the old microwave. Bonjour. Right, we're back with Ed's Little Beauty. This was a cost of £1.75. It looks, okay, hold on. Let's not get that messed up. So you can see the executive cheese that Ed supplied. This only scores 2.5 as a rating, so I'm not exactly buzzing with the prospect. Whoa, you're not having none. Actually, you might get the rest later. Right, one thing here, the roll on the bottom is soggy. Maybe as another YouTuber explained before, you should cook it halfway the other way around, because then it doesn't get so soggy. I always find that puts me off, but it is red hot. Jesus. What does this remind me of? Oh God, Jesus. Back to the 80s, late 80s, you used to get these burgers, you know, when they used to have the put up stands and everything. Horsemeat, we went on to call them. This is, so look at the middle there, people. This is pretty much Jesus, yeah, maybe there's a reason this gets 2.5 out of 5 even on their own website. But 3 minutes cooking time, exclusive to Iceland. God though, it's definitely horse meat in here. It's trade description, this should be. I think a bit of ketchup might help it, but I mean, problem is, what do you expect for £1.75? It's not a lot of money, is it? But when it comes to quality, ooh, no. See, the old processed cheese, that sort of saves it a little bit. And it was easy to do, as I said earlier. Burgers in, 45 seconds, turn them over, another 45 seconds. Build the bun, cheeseburger with a roll, and then 1 minute 30. What you'd be better to do is do a 45 and then flip it all over, so then it won't be so soggy on the bottom. But like I say, this is rough. So without the cheese, Jesus, what that burger tastes like. But anyway, 3 minute burger, £1.75. Your choice, people. Sorry, but me, I can't recommend that. No way, Pedro. like, subscribe and comment. I'm out of here.